We were in a situation with our phone system that was aging and was at the end of life. Dagostino came in, assessed that, proposed what needed to be done, and redesigned our phone systems, how they work, how they interact with each other, because that's what we needed. A lot of the installation and redesign happened behind the scenes, the infrastructure. The phone system is very user-friendly for residents and staff. We did go through training. Dagostino did provide training and education. The system runs great. We really zeroed in on Dagostino because they answered our questions. They were very knowledgeable. There wasn't any situation we threw at them that they didn't know how to handle or haven't already handled. Their reputation spoke volumes to us. I would recommend DES because of the overall total package of service. Their staff is responsive to our needs literally 24/7.